today I am back with another good one for you guys. I'll be making this delicious lasagna soup for you guys. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, but before I begin, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to leave me a like if you enjoy the recipe. And yeah, let me show you guys how to make it. Alright guys, here are the ingredients you will need to make this recipe. Here I have 1 cup of heavy cream, and over here I have some salt and pepper to taste. And also we have 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. And here I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of better than bouillon. And over here I have about 1 cup of chopped or diced tomatoes. Oh wow, it's spilling, I didn't even notice. And over here we have a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon Italian seasoning. Also we have a teaspoon of basil. And of course you can use fresh basil if you want. Here I have some ricotta cheese, 1 cup. And over here I'm using my favorite of all time pasta sauce. It's by the brand Bertolli. It's Italian garlic. Okay, and here we have some Italian sausage as well. And here is the lasagna noodle that I'll be using. And yeah, let's begin with this recipe, y'all. First thing I'm going to be doing is removing my sausages from the casing. So I'm using my wooden spoon to break the sausages apart, and we're going to cook them until they're nice and golden brown. Then we're going to add our tomato sauce or pasta sauce in there, okay? Just pour it in. Now we're going to add our diced tomatoes. You don't need too much, just a little bit. Now I'm using my chicken broth. Did I even show you guys the chicken broth in the beginning? I'm not sure if I did, but y'all, you will need about 3 cups of chicken broth. And then we're going to add the chicken broth in. Now I am going to take my lasagna noodles and just break them into parts. Break them into small pieces, as you guys can see I'm doing right now on your screen. Don't break them too big because I don't know, it'll take a little longer to cook, but I break them into medium size, bite size, however you want to call it. We're going to let it cook, but I use about 5 lasagna noodles in there. Okay, of course you can add more if you want to add more, but I use 5. Now, as you can see, I'm stirring it just to see how much noodles that I have in there, and I want to add a little bit more, so I went ahead and break another one. So that equals to 5. And before I continue, if you're watching my channel for the first time, hey, welcome to my channel. I have tons and tons of delicious recipes here that you do not want to miss. Please subscribe and press the bell as well so you can be notified whenever I upload a new recipe. If you love this recipe, you're going to love the other ones that I have on the channel. So now we're going to season our soup. I'm using the oregano, basil, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, better than bouillon, and garlic powder. We're going to give that a mix just like so. Now we're going to cover it and let it simmer on medium-high heat for about 7 minutes until our noodle is almost ready, but not fully. While that is cooking, I am going to mix up my ricotta cheese and my Parmesan cheese together. Now I'm going to take my cheese and just place it in the soup just like that. Now, if you don't like ricotta cheese, I do have a recipe on how to make lasagna without ricotta cheese. I will leave a link below for you guys, and if you don't like it in this recipe, just don't add it. Maybe you can use some mozzarella, I don't know, but just don't add it to this recipe, okay? Once I'm done adding the cheese, mix that together, stir it together, then we're going to add our heavy cream. The heavy cream is what's going to give it a nice thick consistency, just how we like it, when it's nice and creamy as well. So we're going to pour that in. Now you're going to pour it in, stir it, and of course give it a little taste to see if you need anything else. If you don't need anything else in there, I didn't. So just cover it and let it do its final cooking. Okay, so cook it for another 5 to 7 more minutes, or 10 more minutes. Basically, after that, it is ready. If you like it thicker, of course, you can let it simmer some more, or you can add more of the cheese in. But yeah, this is the soup, y'all. You guys have to try this out, especially right now. It's nice and cold. This is the best thing I've ever ate, y'all. You have to try this out and you will love it. It tastes delicious. Y'all know Italian sausages has tons of flavor already, and this recipe is a winner in my book. Y'all have to add this to your weekly menu. And to garnish, I use some of the ricotta cheese. I sprinkle a little bit of dry parsley, and basically this is it. I use a slice of bread to eat this. It was absolutely incredibly delicious. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Do not forget to give it a like for me if you did enjoy it. And of course, don't forget to leave me a comment below. I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye.